Well, we're out here today. I got my AK-74 out, and because of the controversy of the ammo, I bought some new ammo, and I opened up some of my old military ammo. So today, here at the 50-yard range, we're going to try out, this is the Red Army Standard that I got, which is new manufacture from Tula, and I have some Russian military ammo. The original bullet, I think, is the 7N6. It was made in 1979. And what I'm going to do is just shoot the gun at 50 yards and go see if there's a difference in the accuracy of this two different types of ammo. First up is Red Army Standard. Okay, everything went well, no problems. Now the real deal. Yep. Alright, that one come up and kind of jammed. Don't know why. We will try some more of it and see if this is an ongoing problem. Okay, Red Army Standard. Pretty much touching in one there, not too terrible. Alright, and then the military ammo, a little bit more spread out and not as tight. Of course, that ammunition is over 40 years old too, so that's another thing. You know, it does break down over time. Okay. So, what I'm going to do is, now we got an idea. It's all shooting low and pretty much on center, so we ain't going to worry about that. We'll put another 10 of each down and see what we end up with. Okay, we're going to go with the Red Army Standard, which so far has shown fairly good accuracy. So we're going to see maybe we can adjust without screwing with the sight. Get her in the diamond. And we got 10 rounds this time around. And the recoil impulse on this gun is very, very light. Recoil is, you know, super light. It is lighter than an AR-15. Okay, but the military ammo seems to recoil more. That Red Army Standard civilian stuff, real smooth shooting, fairly accurate. Now we're going to go back to the military ammo. And we're going to see what that does and if we get another jam or not. Since there is no hold open, you have to more or less keep track of what you're shooting. So let's see if we made an improvement. Okay, here we are with the Red Army Standard. Little bit of Kentucky windage, and we got all but one, or maybe two, into the triangle. Very nice group, okay, really nice. This ammo is pretty good. Now, with our military ammo, like I said, same thing, change the sight picture. Though it does not group as well, this again is the poison bullet. A little bit spread out. It is over 40 years old, this ammo, but still, you can get hits on it. You know, for just plinking or shooting at steel plates or something, I think that's more than good enough. And truthfully, you know, it's a sad thing to say, probably I can improve on this with a hand load and reloading. Probably get a better group than this Red Army Standard. But truthfully, right off the shelf, you really don't need nothing better than that for what this type of gun is. This is not a match rifle, but that's pretty good accuracy for the ammo. And like I said, the old ammo, you know, that's when I tell you guys, these surplus guns, you get these older cartridges, you know, it does have that weird bullet on there, which is outlawed now, but as you can see, the accuracy's not as good, but still. All right. Okay, now that we know where the ammo shoots and which ammo's shooting better, AK-47s ain't fun unless you got a full 30 round magazine. I'm sorry, 74s. I got a silhouette target. I'm going to try shooting 30 rounds offhand at it, see how I do. This is a very light recoiling weapon. Hardly any recoil to it at all. Yeah, these some of these, you hear the difference. This ammunition's breaking down over time. Best to burn it up, I guess. There is like a little another one. they're not misfires or hang fires. It's like a, they're like a soft load. They sound different too. So it must be the powder's breaking down over time. Alright, there we go. Got 30. So what we'll do is we'll go down and see how that did. And that'll be it for this rifle. And I'll make another video testing out the other AK-74 model that I have. Okay, there we go. Now this is at 50 yards. And this is a, what is it, B34 Revision RC, whatever. This is a tiny, it's not a full-size silhouette target. So, I don't know, half size, say it's 100 yards. Still, that's pretty good. I think I got 1, 2, 3 of them out off the silhouette. But the rest of them are hits. Granted, they're outside the 7 ring, a bunch of them, but still. For just snap shooting, offhand combat rifle, like I said, the recoil impulse is low. With good ammo, if I was shooting the other ammo, it would probably do better. But because this stuff I can tell from age is starting to act up, if I do shoot these guns, I'm going to burn up the old military ammo. You know, I just opened the can the other day, so that's been sealed since 1979, but you can tell it's starting to break down. But that's not too terrible, okay? That's pretty good shooting for, you know, for what this gun is. Alright, stay tuned for the next one. We're going to do our other version of the AK-74.